can't decide, but I know now's the time. I love you, dear, don't want to leave you behind, but there's someone else I can't get off my mind. Now I don't know what to do in this case. All that I know is that I will have to pay. I'm not able to throw one's love aside. I know I must, but I can't decide. I guess that there's only one thing to do. Just tell the judge my wife can have both of you. How could I leave my daughter or my son behind? I guess it's best I can't decide. I guess it's best I can't decide.